Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday some of you have completed the independent work and I found out that a lot of you have some misconceptions, so I just want to address it today before we move on to the next lesson. Yesterday we learned that the formula for a triangle is half times base times height. The base is the bottom, of course, and the height is perpendicular or 90 degrees to the base. And this side we will not take into consideration. So for example, if you look at this example, this triangle, ABC, AX is perpendicular to BC, so AX is our height, BC is our base, and the base is 10 centimeters. The height is 14 centimeters. So when you find the area, you use 1/2 times base, which is 10 centimeters, times height, which is 14 centimeters. So that's 1/2 times 10 times 14. When you multiply fraction, you can, because 2 is being divided, so you can use cross 10 and 2 out. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 14 is 70. So the area of this triangle ABC is 70 square centimeters. We say square centimeters because, again, area is the number of squares that we use to cover a certain surface. So in this case, we need 70 square centimeters to cover the whole thing. Okay, so let's look at some most common errors from the independent practice yesterday. The first one is this. So this person says to find the area of this triangle, you do 18 centimeters times 7 centimeters, which is the base and the height. Those are correct. But guess what this person forgets? They forgot the 1/2. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. So all you have to do is replace base with the base length. In this case, is 7 centimeters, and replace the height with the height of a triangle, which is 18 centimeters. And again, the height is from the top corner. You can think of it as a top angle perpendicular to the base. So this is the height from Z to W. Okay. And then we see 2 and 18. We know that those have a common factor of 2. So you can cross them out, right? And then, so once you divide 18 by 2, you get 9. Then bring down the 7. Now you have 9 times 7. So the area of this triangle is actually 63 square centimeters. As you can see, the unit is square centimeters because the unit of the length is centimeters. So when you find the area, it becomes square centimeters. The second one is this. They gave you a lot of numbers because they wanted to trick you. So this person says 15.5 times 6. So this person actually selected the correct base number and height. What this person didn't do again is to use 1/2. So in this case, 1/2 times the base, which is 15.5 centimeters, times the height, which is 6 centimeters. So when you 6 again can be divided by 2, so we can cross them off. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Bring down the 15.5. 3 times 15.5, you can use a calculator, or I can do it mentally. Is 46.5 square centimeters. Notice how the answer is very different. So again, please do make sure that you add this 1/2. Because remember, the triangles is the area of a triangle is half of a rectangle. Okay, let's look at the last example. Okay, so this one again, they give you a number to trick you. So they give you the base number, the base length, which is 25 centimeters. Now remember that the height has to be opposite to the base. So this height is not the opposite to the base because it's not perpendicular to the base. So this is actually the height. The height is actually 4 centimeters right here because this line is perpendicular or 90 degrees from the base. Okay, so this person said 25 times 15 because this person picked the wrong height and got 375. Again, this person also forgets to multiply the whole thing by 1/2. Always start with 1/2 for a triangle. So 1/2 times the base, which is 25, times the height, which is 4. Now 4 can of course be divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And now we have 25 times 2, which equals to 50 square centimeters. So before you begin the new lesson, please, if you scored less than 8 yesterday, make sure to watch the video from yesterday and complete the independent practice again. Okay, because all of these are going into your grades. If you receive less than 65%, then you're failing. If you want to boost up your grades, then you want to get 9 or 10. Remember, you can take the independent practice as many times as you want. Remember to read my feedback before retaking the new one. All right. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.